Hi everyone, I've got this absolutely fantastic opportunity here today on Annisdale Close, located in Eccles. This gorgeous and well presented throughout semi-detached property. Absolutely gorgeous throughout. Coming through here, through the front door, we've got our family bathroom just on the left hand side. Again, absolutely gorgeous. We've got our three-piece bathroom suite and we've got our shower just over there as well. Got some storage space just on the right, and then we're coming through here into our downstairs open plan lounge and kitchen area. We've got our breakfast bar, our units here, plenty of storage space. Very nicely done throughout. Well maintained. Got lots of local amazing amenities nearby, within walking distance to the fantastic Monton village as well. Array of shops, restaurants and bars. Some great schools, fantastic local schooling. Near the Trafford Centre. So you are in an absolute prime location here. Then we've got our low maintenance garden here to the back. Fantastic size, nice and private. We've got all this space in here as well. And then heading upstairs, we've got two generous sized bedrooms and a toilet as well. So starting in the master bedroom is this very deceiving space here. Lots of room in here, storage, really great size. Property is very bright and again is in a fantastic location. So that was the master bedroom, and then here we have our upstairs toilet, which again presented very lovely. Tiled walls and floors. And then we've got our second bedroom here, which is a fantastic size once again. Really large window there, letting in lots of bright light. The property does have a driveway to the front and also has an additional parking space at a car park just to the rear as well. We would highly recommend a viewing on this one. Definitely a perfect first time buy. Great for families. People just getting on the property ladder. Again, with the local amenities nearby, fantastic local schools, parking, driveway, low maintenance garden, all this space down here, this open plan, fantastic area. If you are interested in reviewing it, please give our office a call on 0161 707 4900.